Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ako nga pala si Teacher Lhen. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube, please click the bell button para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Ayan. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nanonood ng aking mga videos at yung mga nagko-comment. Ayan. So, kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? At sa mga ibang estudyante, lalo na yung mga ABM strand. Okay? So, ngayon, pag-usapan po natin ang pag-compute ng markup at markdown. Okay? So, first, kailangan muna nating alam yung mga terminology nito. Kasi mai-encounter kasi natin to as we go along in our lessons. Okay? So, original price, it is the starting price of a product or service, and it is sometimes called the cost or wholesale price. Okay, again, yung original price, ang tawag po dyan ay yung starting price. Okay? And it is usually called cost or wholesale price. For example, a young entrepreneur would like to sell hamburger. Okay? So, the young entrepreneur start the price, or he or she bought this hamburger with the cost of 100 pesos, or at the cost 100 pesos. Okay? So, para magkaroon siya ng tubo, dinagdagan niya na 50 pesos. So, we called it markup. Markup, it is the amount of increase in a price. Okay? Next, selling price. So, nabili niya yung hamburger ng 100 pesos and then nag-mark up ng 50 pesos. So, ang selling price niya ngayon, which is, ito yung amount na ibebenta niya sa kanyang classmates or sa kanyang target market, it is the, what we call the selling price. So, 150 pesos. So, when we get the selling price, it is the original price plus the markup or minus the markdown. Okay? So, markup rate, it is the percent increase in the price. So, when we say markup, it is the increase of amount, no? Rate siya, so it should be written in percentage, okay? Percent form, okay? So, example, this one again. So, yung original price niya kanina is 100 pesos plus 50 pesos. So, yung 50, ito yung markup niya. So, 150 pesos na yung new price. Okay, so yung markup, 3 to get. So, 150 minus 100. 150 is the new price. Okay, minus dun sa old price or original price, which is 100 pesos. So, total of 50. Yung 50 divide sa 100 to get the decimal point of 0.5 times sa 100%. So, 50% markup percent. Okay? Next, yung markup problems can be solved by the equation. So, using this formula, selling price is equal to, open and close parenthesis, 1 plus R times the original price. So, wherein R is the markup rate. Okay? So, when we have the markup, we also have markdown rate. So, markdown rate, it is the percent decrease in the price. Okay? Pagbaba naman ito. Okay? So, let's take for example this one. Yung original price kanina is 100 pesos, diba? And then, nagkaroon ng markup na 50 pesos. So, ang selling price niya or the new price is 150 pesos. Ngayon, yung young entrepreneur, at the end of the day, may natira siyang, let's say, 3, no? 3 hamburgers. So, hindi siya naubos. Kailangan mabenta lahat yon. So, what he did was to sell in a discounted price. Okay? So, nag-markdown rate siya. So, from 150, ang ginawa niya, 135. Okay, so to get the markdown rate, 135 pesos minus 150 yung new price. Okay, so ito na yung old price niya, 150. Okay, so 135 minus 150 is equal to 15 over 150 is equal to 0.10 times 100%. So 10% markdown percent. Okay. Next, yung markdown problems can be solved by the equation. So this is the formula or the equation that we are going to use. Selling price is equal to 1 minus R times the original price, where R is the markdown rate. Okay, tatandaan nyo, kapag markdown, itong nagkakaroon ng changes dito sa fundamental operations, yung subtraction. So, nagiging we use subtraction. Okay, pag markdown. Pag markup, addition. Okay, so let's take for this example number 1. The old price is 100 pesos. New price, 500 pesos. So, find the markup rate using the selling price or using the formula, markup formula or the equation. Since markup yan, so markup equation ang ating i-apply. Okay, so substitute the value, the given value. The selling price is 500 is equal to 1 plus rate times the original price, which is 100 pesos. Okay, so 500 over 100 is equal to, open and close parenthesis, 1 plus rate. Okay, so 500 divided over 100 is 5. And then, transpose this 1 to the other side. So, that would be negative 1 is equal to rate. So, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 is equal to rate. So, markup rate or markup percent is equal to 4 times 100%. So, 100, the answer is 400%. Okay? Next, number 2, example. Let's say the old price is 500. Okay, and the new price is 100. We are going to find the markdown rate. Okay, using this one. So, markdown rate siya. So, it means yung markdown rate equation ang ating gagamitin. So, selling price is equal to, open and close parenthesis, 1 minus R times the original price. And then, we have to substitute the given value. So, 100, which is the selling price, is equal to 1 minus R times 500. Okay, so 100 over 500 is equal to 1 minus rate. So, 100 over 500 is equal to 0.2 is equal to 1 minus rate. Okay, then, transfer to the other side. So, pagsama natin ng puro numbers and then the other side, so letter rate is equal to 1 minus 0.2. So rate is equal to 0.8 and then multiply to 100%. So the markdown percent is 80%. Okay? Did you get the same answer? Very good. Okay, next. Example number 3. Lhen's stores buys the latest shoes at a wholesale price of 1,250. The markup rate of Lhen's store is 40%. How much will you pay not including tax? Okay, so wala pang tax. Okay, so ang wholesale price niya, pag sinabing wholesale price, another term, cost, tama. What else? Original price. Okay, good. So markup rate daw is 40%. Okay? Now, let's compute. So, we have to write the given. Okay? So, the original price is 1,250. Markup rate is 40%. And we have to find the selling price. Diba? So, yung wala pang tax. So, since we have the markup rate, it means that we are going to use the markup equation. Okay, so selling price is equal to 1 plus rate times the original price. Okay, then substitute the value. 1 plus 0.40 times 1,250. So, selling price is equal to 1.40 times 1,250. It is equal to 1,070. So, the selling price of the latest shoes is 1,750. Okay? Got it? Okay, good. Next. Now, example number 4. A 12,600 mountain bike is discounted by 30% and then discounted an additional 10% for shoppers who arrive before 5 a.m. Find the sale price of the bicycle. Okay? So, this time, let's analyze this problem. So, ibig sabihin, yung dalawang beses siya nagkaroon ng discounted price. Okay? So, first is 30%, another is 10%. Dun sa mga customers niya who arrive 5 a.m. Before 5 a.m. So, ang aga. So, hinahanap nito yung sales price. Okay? So, let's compute. So, the original price is 12,600 pesos. Yung markdown niya, kasi may mga discount, so meaning, markdown. So, kailan ba nagkakaroon ng markdown? Usually, it happens every time na may inventory, mataas yung inventory products mo, so kailangan mo nang magbawas ng product. Kasi baka yung iba doon ay malapit na ma-expired. Ayan. So, kailangan maibenta na with discounted, at a discounted price. Okay, what else? Dahil dun sa inventory, para mabawasan na yung location ng inventory nyo. What else? Nagkakaroon ng discount as a marketing strategies. Yan. Okay, so this time, we have to find the selling price. First, sabi, discount daw at 30%. So again, since this is markdown rate, we have to use the equation for markdown. Selling price is equal to 1 minus R times the original price. So substitute the value, the given value, 1 minus the rate is 0.30, and then times 12,600. The selling price is equal to 0.70 times 12,600 which is equal to 8,820. Now, so this is the selling price, 8,820. Okay? For the discount at 30%. Meron pa siyang another discount na 10%. Diba? Nagkaroon siya na additional. Ngayon, ang magiging original price na is 8,820. So, yun na yung price, original price na gagamitin natin for the second discounted na binigay na 10%. So, markdown rate is equal to 10%. We have to find the selling price. So, in computing the discount at 10%, we have to, again, use the markdown equation, which is the selling price is equal to 1 minus R or rate times the original price. Then substitute the value of rate and the original price. Okay, so selling price is equal to 1 minus 0.10 times 8,820. So, selling price is equal to 0.90 times 8,820, which is equivalent to 7,938 pesos. So, this is the new price. So, selling price, which is 7,938 pesos. Okay? Okay na po ba? Did you get the same answer? Okay, very, very good. Next. So, example number 5. So, a shoe store uses a 40% markup on cost. Find the cost of a pair of shoes that sells for 2,646. Okay, so may markup cost siya ng 40%. Okay? Find the cost. Again, ito, yung word na cost. Pag sinabing word na cost, anong ibig sabihin yan? And other terms? Yes, another term is, this is the original price or the wholesale price. Okay? So, let's compute. First, we have to write the given. We have to get the given value. So, selling price is 2,646. Markup on cost, which is 40%. And we have to find the cost of a pair of shoes. Okay, yung original price. So, magkano kaya ang original price nito? Okay, so selling price is equal to markup So, 1 plus rate times original price. So, yung selling price niya is 2,646 plus 1, open and close parenthesis, 1 plus 0.40 times the original. Wala tayong original kasi yan yung kukunin natin, di ba? Wala tayong value niyan. Next, so 2,646 is equal to 1.40 times the original. Okay, so transpose this 1.40 to the other side. So 2,646 over 1.40 is equal to the original cost or cost of pair of shoes, which is 1,890 pesos. Okay? And did you get the same answer? Okay, good. Next sample. Okay, so use the following to calculate the markup or markdown rate. Okay, so may table ito and then we have to identify if it is the markup and markdown rate. Ika-calculate din natin. And we have to get the percentage markup percent and markdown percent. So, the question is the relationship between the original and selling price proportional or not? Then, we have to explain. Okay? So, let's move. So, here, we have the table. This is the original price in pesos and the other side is the selling price in pesos. Under the original price, the amount is 1,750 and the selling price is 1,400. Well, the other one is 1,500 and on the selling price, 1,200. So, based on this data, what have you observed? Okay, good. So, the original price is higher, no, than the selling price. So, it means that this is markup or markdown. Very good. So, this is a markdown. Okay, so since markdown yan, we have to use the equation of markdown. So, selling price is equal to 1 minus rate times the original price. Okay, then substitute. Let's take the example of this, the first one. This one. Okay, so the selling price is 1,400 is equal to 1 minus rate times the original price, which is 1,750. So, 1,400 is equal to 1 minus rate times 1,750. Okay, so transpose to the other side. So, 1,400 over 1,750 is equal to 0.80 is equal to 1 minus R. Okay, so pagsamahin lahat ng numbers. Okay, so R is equal to 1 minus 0.80. So, R is equal to 0.20. But, we need the rate. Pag rate, we have to change it into percent. Okay, so 0.20 times 100 and the markdown rate is 20%. Correct. So, the relationship between the original price and selling price is proportional. So, our answer is the relationship between the original price and selling price is proportional because the table shows the ratio here. So, selling price over the original price. So, yung selling price is equal to 0.80 over 1. So, the ratio for all the possible pairs of solution. So, halos lahat naman ay same lang. Okay? Kahit yun sa 1.5, yung original na 1.5 and selling price na 1.2. So, halos lahat yan is 0.80. Okay? Ang selling price. Okay? So, I hope you understand and did you get the same answer? Okay, very good. Ayan, so if you have some questions, concerns, yan, please let me know. Just write. Or kung may mga suggestions kayo, please write below. Okay, so thank you and God bless. Ayan, so again, please share this video sa inyong mga friends para maunawaan nila yung pag-compute ng markup and markdown. Thank you so much. Bye!